Hello everyone, this is a new one I've been trying to get done for a little while. So this is an OEM IHI bearing housing, centre housing, whatever you want to call it, for Ferrari VU21 to VU26, both the same, all the same. This is a housing that we've got machined to suit. As you can see, profiles exactly the same. Now I'm using a heat shield to demonstrate fitment. So that's the OEM. That's our aftermarket, still ball bearing. So if you don't know, we specialise in a lot of IHI turbochargers, a lot of ball bearing stuff that people won't touch. We will be producing our own aftermarket ball bearing cores, or CHRA, which is your centre housing rotating assembly. That's all that stands for. Superior ball bearing system being used. We do heaps of IHI stuff, and it'll come in at a fraction of the price. Also, we'll have superior performance to the OEM Ferrari stuff, or used on a Ferrari. It's not a Ferrari turbo, it's IHI. Will flow more, produce more horsepower as a drop-in unit, produce more horsepower when you crank up the boost. So yeah, very excited to do the Ferrari stuff now, and it's no problem at all. So anywhere from the VU21s all the way to the VU25s, 26s found on the SF90s. We'll soon be producing replacement cores.